Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in the L40, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, this is the station for the L40. On the front side, you have a removable cover. Just grab it from both sides and pull it out and away from the station. And that's going to reveal your vacuum bag, which should look pretty puffy if yours is nice and full. Grab it from this tab, pull it up and out of the way, dispose of the old vacuum bag, and then take your new vacuum bag, and you're going to repeat that in reverse order. Just line it up and gently press it back in. Let me show you that from the overhead camera. So, pretend this is nice and full and puffy. You're going to take the old one out, dispose of it, and right here, you're going to slot that right back in place, press down, and now it's time to take the cover, and the cover only goes on one way. You can try this way. See, it's not going to work. So this side's going to line up where a solution tank could be, and this side's going to be where the vacuum bag is, and then up at the top you have that nice polished trim piece, and then it just pops right back in place. There you go, simple and straightforward to change the vacuum bag on the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2.